whole kitchen. Delicious. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Mair. You're watching Mairbornhungry YouTube channel. Today we are making the world's best new recipe. It's never been made. I have 4 beautiful chicken fillets, breast fillets, right in front of me, and we are making the coconut chicken kebabs. It's gonna be pan fried. Pan fried means we all can make this recipe. I mean, you don't have to have a grill for this recipe. You can make this in a pan, in a kitchen, indoor, and it's gonna be a delicious recipe. I can promise you that. Take a look on this. We have whole chicken breast. So this is one whole chicken breast and this is the second one. The first thing we will do, guys, we will grab our whole fillet and we will try to square the chicken meat. I mean, we will just make sure our chicken meat are cut into a square form. So this is what it is. So 4 of them, we will make sure we do that. This is actually a delicious recipe. How to flavor your chicken breast. We all are focusing on healthy recipes, right, these days, so why not we should just work on this thing, you know. Why not we should just flavor these coconut version of a chicken breast. So the chicken breast should have a coconut flavor, right, in a form of chicken kebabs. So here's the first cut, here's the second cut, the kebab size, the biteable size. So let me wear some gloves first. Coconut chicken kebabs. The gloves are on. We have our cube form of chicken all here. These are 4 chicken breasts. When I say 4, it means 2 whole chicken breasts. Look at here, guys. I have a coconut cream. How they say crema de coco. Crema de coco. This is where the magic starts. Right here. Once you have this coconut cream, add at least 5 tablespoons of coconut cream. This is our coconut milk. Again, 5 to 6 tablespoons. This is what we are doing. So 5 tablespoons goes right here. Let's work on our dry ingredients. The first thing, 1 tablespoon of meat tenderizer. It will help for the chicken kebabs to be tender. Alright, 2 whole spoons of freshly ground cumin powder. This is what we have to add. It will give definitely the best flavor. This is 2 whole spoons of coriander, freshly ground. We will add 2 whole spoons right here. Right? This is brown sugar. 2 whole spoons of the brown sugars for the whole 4 chicken breasts. I mean, why I'm saying whole? It's not whole. It's 2 whole chicken breasts, but 4 pieces, 4 fillets. So here goes the 2 spoons. 1 tablespoon of salt. Give it a mix. So all the ingredients, they should just mix up just like this. It's giving a perfect flavor. This is a coconut chicken kebab recipe, guys. Nobody has made this until now. We will add at least 5 tablespoons of oil at this point. 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So it goes all on top of it. Right. So easy, right? Again, give it a mix. This is easy, quick, a flavorful chicken kebab recipe. It will take maximum of your time of maybe under 30 minutes. I can promise you that. Once you marinate this, at least leave it for 5 minutes so the whole ingredients, they get mixed up together. They know what they are doing. So the whole process is to give the flavor to our food. So let's leave this for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes we will be putting this meat on our skewers. And I'll show you what to add next. I have a secret ingredient right here. I'll tell you what to do next. Just give me 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, guys, our bamboo skewers are ready. Our chicken with all the marination, it's ready. So let's just try to put this meat onto the skewers. the chicken kebab, right? The kebabs has to be like this. Just make sure they are flatter, you know. This is what's gonna help us. How we going to cook this? So once they are flatter, it's easy for you to manage the whole recipe. As soon as you put it right here on the skewer, just land it easily. The pan is on the high flame, so let it just be there. I still have a secret ingredient going on. So once we put onto the skewers right in the pan, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At the end, you're left with some marinade. Don't waste this. We have to add our secret ingredient in here. Powder the tiniest version of the coconut. Add at least 5 tablespoons of coconut right here. It will give the extra flavor. Use your baking brush. Just mix everything. And this marination, guys, this will go as a topping for our chicken coconut kebabs pan fried. Alright, it's been like couple minutes. We will just flip our chicken. You guys see it's beautifully caramelized. So let's cook this for now, at least for 5 minutes on the highest flame possible. So guys, we have our coconut chicken kebabs in our pan. They are cooking right now. It's been almost 5 minutes. So we are just flipping them up. We want them to be cooked evenly. If you just want to leave it in the pan, I would strongly suggest leave one side for 5 minutes and then flip another side and cook it for 5 minutes. This mixture. So wait until I tell you when to apply this. My whole kitchen smells like coconut. OMG. It looks so good. Turn around, bro. Okay. Now it's the time, after 5 minutes of roasting this, grab your mixer and just roughly cover it with some coconut. So you see all my marination is dried up. It's all okay. So the coconut was a dry powder. It has all the marination juices in here. For now, just cover this side. Let it be just like this. It's all okay. It's all fine. You know why? We will flip it again one more time. So these sides will cook very soon. We have just, I guess, 5 more minutes for this recipe to be perfectly fine. Let's just eyeball this recipe together. So yeah. Getting roasted. Yes, sir. Let me show you this temperature, okay? The chicken breast, 165 when it's considered to be cooked. This is the temperature right now it's giving, okay? Let me just, right here, okay? I'm not touching the pan. So let's see where it goes. It says 160. Yeah, it's more than 165. So I have showed you the temperature already. I'm pretty sure our beautiful chicken kebabs, check this, it's so sizzled. It's like, yeah, it's like perfectly done already. Take a look, guys. Our beautiful coconut chicken kebabs pan fried. They are ready. I'm grabbing the middle. I think I need one more just to make it look nice. Here you go. Beautiful. Oh my god, they look so good. Alright, this is the bite. It's just hot. Let me cut it and show you just from the inside. This is from the inside. Wonderful, right? All the way it's cooked. the cream of the coconut, the leche of the coconut, the cumin, the salt, the coriander. You can taste all of this, and it's juicy, it's tender, so good, bro. Take a look from this skewer. Do try this easy, simple recipe and subscribe the channel, like the video, share this video with friends and family so they can make this coconut chicken kebab pan fried in home by themselves. Very less ingredient, full of flavor. OMG. Let me try this, the crusty one, right in the middle. Oh wow. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.